Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, PX221BRN, a compact but powerful spot cleaning machine built for stains, odors, carpets, couches, car interiors, and pet messes. Taking a short pause, let's jump into the features. 1. The powerhouse feature, StainStriker Dual Action Formula. This machine uses a special two-part cleaning system. One solution breaks down stains while the second eliminates odors. It works on coffee spills, mud, grease, pet accidents, wine stains, vomit, and more. 2. Onboard self-cleaning mode. After you're done cleaning, the hose cleans itself, huge for hygiene and maintenance. No more smelly hoses or mildew. 3. Compact and portable. The StainStriker is lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for small apartments, cars, stairs, and upholstery. 4. 2 included tools. Tough stain tool for deep scrubbing. Pet tool designed for hair, dirt, and embedded stains. 5. Includes 2 Shark cleaning solutions. You get the full kit to start cleaning immediately. 6. Dual action cleaning power. Its spray solution, scrubs with suction, and extracts stains in one go. Very similar to Bissell Little Green but with stronger odor removal. Taking a quick pause, let's talk performance. 7. This thing destroys pet stains. If you have dogs, cats, or kids, it handles accidents way better than cheap carpet cleaners. 8. Great for couches and upholstery. Lifts oils, food stains, sweat marks, and drink spills from fabric safely. 9. Perfect for car interior detailing. Seats, mats, trunk lining, it pulls out deep dirt easily. 10. Noise is moderate. Similar to a small vacuum cleaner. 11. Maintenance is minimal. The built-in self-cleaning system saves time and reduces bacteria buildup. If you want to review this, yes. These products go viral because people love satisfying cleaning demos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, PX221BRN, a compact but powerful spot cleaner.